Good afternoon, Coffee Mates. Good afternoon sa lahat. So, today's video po. So, kaka-arrive ko lang po pala galing Davao City. So, pinunas-punasan ko lang ng konti para at least maganda tingnan sa video. So, as you can see, nagpalit tayo ng tires, no? So, nakahanap na talaga ako ng tires na Rim 13 na off-road look o rugged look from wide tires na rim 15, nag-change ako into rim 13. So, ito na po yung looks niya ngayon, rugged looks. So, sasabihin ko lang mamaya kung ano yung total specs ng gulong at mags. Okay, copy mates. So, i-compare natin yung uh, off-road tires o rugged tires natin. No? So, ito pala yung dati kong mags and tires, yung rim 15. So, as you can see, yung tire height nila is the same lang. Yan po. O, yan nyo. Magkasing taas lang po sila. Rim 13 po yung itong isa. Kunin ko naman yung rim 14. O, ito yung stock natin. So, same height. Yung tire height nila, same lang. So, masasabi natin walang sabit. So, yan po. Yan po yung tires natin. Fortune, made in Indonesia. 165/80 rim 13 tubeless tires. Take note, rim 13 tubeless tires. Fortune brand from Indonesia. Mags natin is K&M 6.5 yung wide niya. Offset 15. Yan po.
A few moments later.
So, weight ng tires and mags natin na rim 13. So, mas lightweight siya compare dun sa rim 15 natin na wide tires. Na naka-wide tires tayo na. So, mas maganda dalhin since mafe-feel mo talaga yung comfort. Kasi yung sidewall niya is masyadong mataas. At maganda talaga dalhin in terms of rough road and any forms of mud areas. Yan po. Tapusin nyo lang yung video and see to appreciate. Once again, thank you so much and ride safe, Coffee Mates. Thank you.